You wanna go on a camping trip? You wanna go on a camping trip? Come on, let's go. All right, guys, so me and Lola Pup are heading to old downtown Jacksonville. We're gonna go ahead and do some truck camping. I've got a buddy that's actually leaving town. He asked me to house sit, so I'm gonna go ahead, head that way. First, I gotta go grab my sister's dog because old Grandpa Taylor here's gotta pick up cousin Parker because she's also going out of town. The puppies are gonna have some play dates. I know you guys are gonna ask this question, how do you go into grocery stores in Florida with a puppy and it's hot? Well, what you gotta do is have 2 sets of keys. So I'm just gonna go ahead, lock the truck, leave the truck running, have the AC rolling, and my baby girl is gonna be nice and cool. Hello. How you doing? Good.
Have you tried these?
Yeah, dude, that's my new favorite flavor. Oh, they're delicious. I like the blueberry, but I think that one won me over. I appreciate it. You have a good one. So we just made it to my buddy's crib. We've got my old little Parker buddy here. That's actually, whoa, Lola's cousin, so it's my sister's pup. And then we have got, where you at, Lola? She's over here exploring. We got all the pups' business taken care of. All their poo-poos, all their pee-pees out. And they're just having some good old bond time. On tonight's menu, we are actually gonna be cooking some tacos. Now, I'm not a master cook. All I got was ground beef, taco seasoning, tortillas. Probably should have got some lettuce too. I got some salsa. So we're gonna go ahead and make some tacos real quick. All right. Got our ground beef, got some tortillas, got some medium salsa to put on these tacos, a little bit of Mexican 4-cheese blend, and can't forget the El Paso taco seasoning mix. So these tacos should come out pretty freaking mint. First things first, make sure your lighter works. Boom, we're good. Get some gas. Bam. Next up, need a little bit of Pam or canola oil. We're gonna go ahead and get this beef opened up and onto the pan. Now that everything's pretty much cooked, we're gonna go ahead and take our taco seasoning mix, a little bit of water, and we're gonna pour it right on this mixture. So now that we've got all this meat mixed up right here, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna set this to the side. Gonna take our small pan we've got, and we're gonna go ahead and warm up our tortillas. Got the tortillas all warmed up, and it's time to make these bad boys. And this, my ladies and gents, is how you make the most amazing, perfect taco. Oh my gosh. It came out perfect. It's Call me Chef Wonderful. Chef Taylor. Chef Tate. Are you hungry, Lola? You hungry? Well, I got some food. I got some food for you. Oh, she's gonna love this. There you go. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Got everything all cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and chill inside for a little bit, watch a little bit of YouTube on the old laptop before we hit the sheets. What do you want, crackhead? What do you want? Hello. Now, another favorite YouTube channel of mine is called Kara and Nate. If you guys have not checked them out, they are an awesome couple that travel the world. Got some pretty cool content.
I'm a senior in college, could finish, or do I drop out and move to New York? Damn, you were a senior. I was a senior.
So we're gonna go ahead and hit the sheets for the night. Now I am gonna leave the pups inside because I've got a lot of fishing gear in here. Me and Lola are going fishing tomorrow. Just gonna let them hang out in the crib while I get the bed to myself. We are hitting the sheets. I will see y'all in the morning. Good night.
I don't know what the heck's going on, but I think I just heard some gunshots right outside my truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the house because I'm kind of freaked out right now. Oh.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. We just heard some gunshots go off. I don't know what the heck's going on. And I have not seen any cops show up, so I don't know if those were actually gunshots that went off, but I think we're gonna go ahead and just fall asleep on the couch inside this house, and I will see you guys in the morning. So I just got a text from my buddy, the one that I'm house sitting for. He was asking if I was all right. I guess he got an alert. I forgot. He's got Ring cameras. Another one right there. I guess he got an alert because a loud noise went off, and when he looked back at the footage, there were gunshots that went off. From the footage, they came from that general vicinity. It's crazy. According to that Ring footage, the cops never showed up, which is nuts. I think it's safe to say I will never house sit for my buddy again. A little too sketchy. So we are out of here, but first, can't forget the Red Bull, baby. So it looks like Red Bull just came out with a new flavor. It's called Strawberry Apricot Super Gas. Hasta luego, el cribe.